Hi everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Here's your political news roundup for Monday, June 17th. The Supreme Court struck a blow against moves by states to toughen their voting laws. The court said states are not allowed to require additional proof of citizenship for voter registration beyond signing the federal form stating citizenship. The 7-2 High Court decision said the National Voter Registration Act of 1993 takes precedence over Arizona's Proposition 200. Supporters of the Arizona law and similar laws in 3 other states said the ruling strikes a blow against efforts to reduce voter fraud. Opponents of the law said the extra requirements only made it more difficult for minorities and the poor to exercise their right to vote. Today's meeting between President Obama and Russian President Vladimir Putin has taken on new importance. Both countries are now openly arming opposite sides in the Syrian conflict. Last week, the White House said it concluded the government of Syrian dictator Bashar al-Assad is indeed using chemical weapons to put down a rebel uprising. As a result, the White House said the U.S. will provide direct military aid to the rebels. Obama and Putin are meeting as part of the G8 summit going on in Northern Ireland. The newly elected president of Iran is extending an olive branch to the United States. Hassan Rouhani won a landslide victory in a runoff election. When asked about congratulations being expressed by Americans, Rouhani said the relationship between the two countries is like a wound that has not yet healed. He said the U.S. and Iran should look to the future. He was quick to add that Iran will not halt its nuclear development program and that direct diplomatic talks with the U.S. would only be possible if the U.S. agreed to never interfere with Iranian affairs. And for the second time in about a month, the mayor of a big Canadian city is in big trouble. Montreal Mayor Michael Applebaum was arrested on 14 charges of fraud and corruption. Police said the charges involve Applebaum's involvement in 2 real estate deals. The charges include fraud, breach of trust, conspiracy, municipal corruption, and making secret payments in the tens of thousands of dollars. Montreal is Canada's second largest city after Toronto. Last month, Toronto Mayor Rob Ford came under suspicion and calls for his resignation after media outlets reported a secret video they said showed him smoking crack cocaine. Ford has vehemently denied those charges. That's your political news roundup for Monday, June 17th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for the latest political, economic, and stock market news all day long.